I've signed up for the Mind Pause box. This is my first one, so I'm not too sure what to expect or if this sticker may be a spoiler, but let's take a look. Opening this up, you get a few little booklets including this mini notebook with inspirational quotes. There's also the instructions and a book explaining the aim of a pause box. For those who don't know, Mind is a mental health charity and the pause box is designed to encourage creativity, relaxation and mindfulness. To get a pause box you have to donate £8 a month to Mind, and then each month you'll receive a mystery craft through your door. I do like how this is packaged up in tissue paper and think it would make a great gift if you know someone that it would appeal to. So onto the craft. This says that we will be making a pom-pom bookmark. The materials we get are just this strand of wool and these cardboard templates. The instructions are pretty straightforward. I'm sure many of you had made a pom-pom before, but for those that haven't, you just put these two cardboard templates together and wind the wool around it. This kit does say to put 30 centimeters to one side just for tying up later and making the bookmark part of the craft. Now, obviously the materials in the kit are not worth £8, but really the craft kit is sort of a freebie you get for donating to Mind. I think it's a great charity. I have personally struggled a lot with mental health, and I know that every year 1 in 4 of us will struggle with a mental health problem. Once you finish winding the wool around, you grab some scissors and cut between the two pieces of card whilst holding the rest of the strands in place. My scissors were definitely not sharp enough and made this quite a bit trickier, and I ended up losing a few strands, but that's me blaming my tools and not the kit. You then get the 30 centimeter strand from earlier and wrap it around again between the two pieces of card before tying it off with a tight knot. The final step is to pull out the cardboard, and what you should be left with is a pom-pom with a long strand that can be used as a bookmark like so. With that in mind, no pun intended, I had fun with this kit and it was a mostly relaxing activity. I look forward to getting my next box and seeing what's in store. I'm not sure if the pom-pom bookmark is the box for June or just always the first box that you get, so if you've signed up for the pause box, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Personally, I like my bookmarks a little more substantial, so I attempted to level this up with materials from the box. I cut out this page that says it's time to pause and poked a hole through it, and then just tied the pom-pom to the card to make a different style of bookmark. Now here's where I would have cut off the tail end, but I thought someone else might appreciate the pom-pom more, so here's the required cat tags. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing so you won't miss my next video.